ba? God speaks in many ways. Nakaka-amaze. One time, nagpuprune ako nitong halaman. Tinatanggal ko yung maraming dahon. And the Lord suddenly spoke in my mind, sa thoughts ko. And He was saying, alam mo anak, hindi sa maraming dahon yan kung paano tumutubo yung maraming fruits, kundi kung gaano ka-healthy yung halaman. In fact, the lesser the leaves, yung mga bagong sibol na leaves, pag tinanggal mo siya, mas malaki yung chance na magkaroon siya ng maraming fruits na mas malalaki. It's the same way with our lives. I mean, hindi siya sa palamuti, hindi siya sa ganda ng panlabas. Hindi. Kung healthy yung within natin, we will really bear fruits for the glory of God. Amazing that God speaks in so many ways. I pray na pag may ginagawa kayo, kahit ganito lang kasimple, you will also hear God speak. Ang daming kalat. Linisin natin yung kalat. Yun din ang gusto ni Lord, malinis.